Hello friends, welcome back to Rising Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this question from linear algebra, which is based on the concept of linear transformation. Question is, given a linear transformation T from vector space R2 to R2 with image of vector 1 1 under T is vector 3 4 and image of vector 3 4 under T is vector 4 5. Find a rule for linear transformation T. We will start our solution. It is given that T from vector space R2 to R2 is a linear transformation with image of vector 1 1 under T is vector 3 4 and image of vector 3 4 under T is vector 4 5. We need to find definition for this linear transformation T. Now note that let T from vector space V to V is a linear transformation, then T can be completely determined from the images of basis elements of vector space V, and we are going to use this idea to find the rule for given linear transformation T. Now note that set B containing vectors 1 1 and 3 4 will be a basis of vector space R2. Since dimension of R2 is 2 and we can verify that vectors 1 1 and 3 4 are linearly independent. So B will be a subset of R2 containing two linearly independent vectors, and therefore this set B will be a basis of R2. So we have got a basis of R2. Now by this note, we can determine the given linear transformation T from R2 to R2 using images of these basis vectors 1 1 and 3 4. Now as B is a basis of R2, any arbitrary vector say xy of R2 can be expressed in terms of these two basis vectors as this, where this A and B are unique scalars for this given vector xy. Further, this can be written as vector xy equals to vector A plus 3b, A plus 4b. Now, comparing coordinates of both the vectors, we get equation 1 as A plus 3b equals to x and equation 2 as A plus 4b equals to y. These are two linear equations. After solving these two equations, we get A equals to 4x minus 3y and B equals to y minus x. So, as T is a linear transformation, we have image of vector xy will be image of this vector A 1 1 plus B 3 4. We have just replaced this xy with its representation. Now, as T is linear, this becomes A T of 1 1 plus B T of 3 4. Now, image of vector 1 1 is 3 4 and image of vector 3 4 is 4 5. So, we get this. Now in the next step, replacing this this A with 4x minus 3y and B with y minus x. We have find values of A and B above. Now after simplification, this can be written like this, and after further simplification, we get image of vector xy under T is 8x minus 5y 11x minus 7y. Now as xy is any arbitrary vector of R2, this will be the rule for the given linear transformation T, and which completes our solution.